Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hello, my friends and family members. I hope all of you are doing fine and are in good health. I pray that all of you keep smiling. Always respect your parents and love your children. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I will be sharing with you ideas of stunning home decoration. For that, you have to like my channel, comment on my channel, and share my videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon in order to not miss any of my new videos, because I'm going to be sharing stunning home decoration ideas on my channel. So, today I bring to you the idea of ambient lights in your home. You can install it in any room you want. They can be on ceiling or on walls or behind the mirrors. As you can see in the video, it lights up the room and it gives a new atmosphere of the room. Also, it changes the look of the room. So that's why it's a nice idea to install lights in your room to illuminate your room. Also, friends, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get updated and stay updated on my YouTube channel. As you can see, bye bye.